So you want to work on the stock exchange, but everything you look up seems out of reach. Don't worry, we got you. This video breaks down the blueprint to landing a stock exchange trading role in 2025. The best part, whether you're self-taught or Ivy League, there's a route for you. At first glance, trading feels like a relic of the past, but the truth is it's going strong. According to Markets Insider, Wall Street firms made over $200 billion in profits from trading in 2021 alone. And because of the rise of algo trading and the crypto market, many firms are adding new positions every month. But if you just go on LinkedIn and search for trading jobs, you'll be met with hundreds of roles that look like this. So where do you even start? We lines tell you exactly how to approach this in a way that's tailored to your background so you can land your ideal role. Let us start with the most important factors employers are looking for in 2025. Here are 4 must-have skills and traits. Number 1. Risk. The ability to analyze potential risk is extremely valuable. A good trader understands the potential downside and acts accordingly. They understand the risks they're taking and don't let their emotions control their decisions. Number 2. Technology proficiency is essential in modern trading. Being able to learn new software quickly and leverage technology to generate alpha is becoming increasingly important. Think of traders like Ken Griffin, Citadel CEO, who built out his own electronic trading platform, or Jane Street, which built its own low-latency infrastructure. Number 3. Speed. The ability to make quick decisions is crucial in trading. Being able to process information quickly and make smart trade executions can mean the difference between a profitable trade and a losing one. And number 4. EQ. Traders need a high degree of emotional quotient to manage stress and make clear-headed decisions. After all, mistakes cost money, and emotions often cloud judgment. Now here's the thing. Employers are looking for candidates who excel in at least one of these areas while having the others at minimum baseline proficiency. Let's illustrate this with 2 candidates. Candidate A has a prestigious degree from an elite school, but lacks practical experience. Candidate B has relevant work experience, but isn't from a top program. Candidate A has great EQ and communication skills. Candidate B is more data-driven with proficiency in coding. In this case, both candidates could be considered equally qualified. Each brings unique strengths to the table and could succeed with the right training and development. If you're unsure where you stand, think about where your strengths lie and what you can bring to the table. With that said, let's discuss resume tips that will land you interviews. Voiceover. Use metrics, not buzzwords. Executed 40+ trades daily, with 12% monthly ROA speaks louder than hardworking and passionate. Let's take a closer look at monthly ROA is dependent on the market. A 12% return beats the S&P 500's average of 10.5% in 2021. It shows you were beating the market, but it also needs context. For example, what was your total return for the year? What strategies did you employ to achieve this result? All of this is important to show. Now let's compare that to fluff. Highly motivated self-starter with a passion for finance, seeking to apply strong analytical skills to a challenging role in a fast-paced environment. Okay, yes, you have a passion for finance. You seek challenges and you thrive in fast-paced environments. Every other candidate probably says the same thing. If you're able to quantify results and include metrics that demonstrate your impact, you'll stand out from the rest. You should also highlight relevant coursework if you're a student or recent grad. For example, I took courses on algorithmic trading, fixed time and options pricing during my undergraduate studies. If you have limited work experience, highlighting relevant coursework can demonstrate your interest and knowledge in the field. Next, let's dive into certifications versus experience. When it comes to entering the world of trading, certifications can be a useful tool, but they're not the only path to success. To put it simply, it depends. Getting your FINRA licenses like the Series 7 can open doors to institutional roles at banks or large corporations. However, getting your CFA may not be as beneficial since the exams focus more on investment analysis rather than trading. But this doesn't mean you shouldn't get your CFA. Having the discipline to study for and pass such an exam speaks volumes about your character. On the other hand, experience is king when it comes to proprietary desks. These companies rely heavily on proven performance. So if you're aiming to trade with your own capital, experience is key. Most prop firms require you to pass their infamous prop trading interviews, which involves live trading on a simulated account. To get to this level, it's recommended to intern at a prop firm to gain experience and learn their processes. That being said, you can still get in without a referral by applying directly. Most prop firms have a set schedule for interviews, and you can book a date online. Now let's discuss common interview questions. Many of these questions aren't technical. Rather, they focus on how you think and approach problems. Some examples include, walk me through your last losing trade, why do you want to work here, and what are your strengths and weaknesses? The last one is super common, so let's take a closer look. How you answer this question can make or break your chances. A safe answer is my weakness is public speaking. While this is likely true for most people, it's an easy cop-out. You see, everyone has weaknesses, but those shouldn't hinder your performance in a role. Public speaking has no correlation to trading. Therefore, it's better to highlight a weakness that's more relevant. Here's an example. My weakness is reading through financial statements. However, I've been working on improving this by analyzing a company's financials every week and discussing them with my mentors. By providing an actionable item that you're actively improving upon, you come across as self-aware and proactive. Finally, let's discuss remote trading jobs. Many firms are offering remote trading seats, especially in algorithmic or crypto markets. This allows traders to work from anywhere in the world as long as they have a stable internet connection. Today's technology enables traders to access markets instantly from anywhere, making it easier than ever to find opportunities. It's not uncommon for traders to collaborate with colleagues from different parts of the world. With remote work becoming more popular, it's likely that more trading opportunities will become available outside of traditional financial centers. Leave a comment with your goal role and subscribe for more. We'll post new videos about breaking into finance every week. Thanks for watching.